Nike's revamped running lineup is already showing strong success, with the Pegasus Premium leading the charge as the most popular model. Known for its performance and versatile style, it continues to roll out in fresh colorways. One of the latest is the Alabaster edition, which leans into the tonal trend seen across recent Pegasus Premium drops. This version features a soft yellow alabaster hue complemented by subtle sail accents, giving it a clean, summery feel. Industrial-inspired elements add contrast, including gray and black details on the sole and a sleek, full-length air unit. While understated in tone, the design still delivers seasonal flair and top-tier tech for runners and casual wearers alike. The Nike Pegasus Premium Alabaster is set to release in women's sizing with a retail price of $220.